Hi everyone, Dave Decker from Keller Williams Realty, and we're here today at the Villas of Cowans Ford. And I'd like to highlight some of the features that the builder has added to these luxury townhome units, such as 9-foot ceilings, crown molding, 7¼ inch high baseboards for that luxury feel, but most importantly, your own private elevator. Now, if you're a mature client and you want to age in place and you want the private elevator to accommodate your needs, come and check this unit out. Call me on my cell phone for your own private tour or reach out to me at David Decker Realtor on Instagram or Facebook. And as always, I'm hoping you make it a great day.